Okay, after all the wiring, you will receive the software installation file from us, and you install the software in your controller or PC. You will see this icon. This is our system icon. And please remember, before any operation, you have to set the IP address of both the controller and all the IP terminals. Please remember that it's very important. The IP address of the controller, the network segment has to be the same as all the IP terminals. So right now, let's check the IP address of this server. TCP/IP. Now, the network segment of this server is 1. So because this is our default segment, all the IP equipments are also set the segment as 1. For example, in your country, your segment is 2. You have to search the equipments one by one and change the segment of the equipment to, for example, 2 or 3 or 4. But after you change the segment of the IP terminals, you have also to change the segment of the controller to the same. Right now, because all the default segment of the controller and the equipments are 1, so we will start to search our equipment. Because right now, we have connected with 2 equipments. When you search in the system, you will see 2 equipments, but you don't know which one is a microphone, which one is speaker, which one is amplifier. So we suggest you to unconnect all the equipments first and plug the equipment one by one and search in the system one by one and change the IP address of the equipment one by one. Because all the IP terminals with before delivery, the default IP address will be the same. For example, 192.168.1.105. This is the default IP address for all equipments. Now we have to change. We have to assign different IP address for different equipment. For example, we assign the microphone as 1.105, the IP speaker 1.102, and the IP mixer amplifier, for example, 1.103, like this. So we suggest you to reset the IP address one by one. Right now, let's unconnect the microphone. So only the IP speakers are connected. No, we have to change the forward service IP address. Let's find the IP broadcast file, and you can see forward service configuration. Now you can see this segment is 2. Is different with the equipments, right? We have to change it 1. Make all the adjust with the segment 1. Now we can open the software. Now the reminder sound means the equipment is online with the system now. Select the right address. Click OK. OK to log in. And let's search the equipment. Here is a terminal configuration tool. Because all the equipments are with the default address 1.105, so we just input this address. Now we query. Now we have to assign each equipment with a specific address. For example, we make it 101. The next equipment will be 102, and the third one will be 103, like this. Because this is the IP monitor speaker, you can rename it. IP monitor. Click Right to save the name and address. Click OK. Now it's done. Check the IP speaker. Here I want to tell you that the IP speaker not only means the speaker, it actually means all the IP terminals. So right now you can see the IP monitor speaker we just added just now. The terminal name, address, IP address, the volume, the forward address, the status, working status. Okay, now we will demonstrate how to connect and rewrite the IP address of the paging microphone. Right now, let's connect the IP paging microphone. Now we query, go to the system to query this one. We rewrite the IP address of the IP paging microphone. We make it 102. Paging mic and right. Sign out. Now we have to remove the setting before. Stop all. Anytime when you do any new setting, you have to stop all and restart all to show the change. Now you will see the reminder tone. It means the microphone is online now. Let's sign in.